Welcome to our channel. As we age, our metabolism tends to slow down, and we may experience changes in muscle mass, bone density, and hormonal balance. Additionally, our immune system might weaken, making us more susceptible to illnesses. Proper nutrition can play a vital role in combating these changes and promoting better health. In this video, we'll discuss the top 10 foods which are exceptionally beneficial over 50, the vitamins they contain, how they support your health, and the best ways to incorporate them into your daily meals. So, let's dive in. At number 1 is leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are powerhouses of vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, along with essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting bone health, reducing the risk of chronic diseases, and promoting healthy vision. You can add leafy greens to smoothies, salads, or lightly saute with garlic and olive oil. At number 2 is berries. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are packed with antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C and K. These nutritional gems combat oxidative stress, support brain health, and aid in digestion, making them perfect for your daily dose of goodness. You can enjoy berries as toppings for yogurt, cereal, or as a delicious snack on their own. At number 3 is fatty fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. These nutrients are essential for heart health, reducing inflammation, and even promoting cognitive function. You can grill or bake fatty fish with some herbs and spices for a tasty and healthy meal. At number 4 is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds, are packed with healthy fats, protein, vitamin E, and various B-complex vitamin. They support heart health, brain function, and overall well-being. You can sprinkle nuts and seeds over salads or oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a convenient, on-the-go snack. At number 5 is whole grains. Whole grains, including oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are rich in fiber, B vitamins, and essential minerals. These grains regulate blood sugar levels, support digestive health, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. You can use whole grains as a base for grain bowls or substitute them for refined grains in your favorite recipes. At number 6 is avocado. Avocado, a creamy delight, is loaded with monounsaturated fats and essential nutrients. It supports cardiovascular health, helps with nutrient absorption, and is a fantastic addition to your diet. You can slice up some avocado for a creamy addition to salads, or spread it on whole grain toast. At number 7 is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is a protein-packed option, rich in probiotics and calcium. It promotes gut health, aids digestion, and strengthens bones. You can incorporate Greek yogurt into smoothies, parfaits, or as a creamy topping for savory dishes. At number 8 is broccoli. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable containing vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin K, along with important minerals. It supports bone health, has anti-inflammatory properties, and boosts your immune system. You can steam or roast broccoli to retain its nutrients and enjoy it as a side dish or part of a stir-fry. At number 9 is legumes. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, are fantastic sources of plant-based protein, fiber, and essential minerals. They support heart health, manage blood sugar levels, and promote overall well-being. You can prepare delicious soups, stews, and salads using various legumes for a hearty and nutritious meal. And finally, at number 10 is turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties. It helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases and support joint health. You can sprinkle turmeric into soups, curries, or smoothies to enjoy its anti-inflammatory benefits. Remember, making these nutrient-rich foods a regular part of your meals can contribute to better health and a vibrant lifestyle as you age. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching. And until next time, stay healthy and take care.